Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the step on how you can verify your bank account on Coinbase. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided in case you have added or linked your bank account to your Coinbase account. So after a certain period, you'll be receiving a deposit or a verification which you need while verifying your bank account. So once you've received the deposit, all you have to do is log in into your Coinbase account. And once you're logged into your account, tap on settings icon located right at the bottom. As you tap on it, next page will be directed to the settings page, and right over here you can see that. So under payment method, you'll be able to see the bank account that is linked to your account, and in case if you have this kind of icon or the exclamation mark which indicates that the bank account has not been verified yet. And as you tap on the bank account, there's a drop down menu, so from there you have to tap on verify. And as I've already mentioned before that you'll be receiving a too small deposit from Coinbase. Right over here you have to paste it, and once you're done entering it, tap on verify bank account right at the bottom. And if the provided information is correct, you have successfully verified bank account on your Coinbase account. So that was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.